Want to earn money from home in 2025, but don't have fancy degrees or years of experience? No problem. I'm going to show you easy work-from-home jobs that anyone can start right now. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, these jobs can help you earn good money without needing special skills. Let's dive in. In 2025, remote work is no longer just for tech experts and marketers. Everyone can take advantage of it. From flexible side gigs to full-time remote jobs, there's a huge opportunity for people with no experience to get started and make money from home. Did you know that over 50% of workers will be remote by 2025? Online surveys and product testing. You can get paid for sharing your opinion. Companies pay for surveys and product testing, and you don't need any experience to start. Some people make $500 to $1,000 a month just by completing surveys. Check out platforms like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars. Virtual Assistant. Being a virtual assistant is a great way to work from home, answering emails, scheduling appointments, and managing admin tasks. No advanced skills needed, just a computer and organizational skills. You can use Google Suite or Trello to stay organized. Online tutoring and teaching. If you're good at explaining things, online tutoring is an amazing option. Platforms like VIPKid or Chegg Tutors let you teach English or help with homework, and you can earn up to $25 an hour or more. No teaching degree required, just patience and communication skills. Social media manager. Do you spend hours scrolling through Instagram or Facebook? Why not get paid to manage social media accounts? Businesses are always looking for someone to handle their online presence. Start by offering your services to small businesses. You can use tools like Canva and Hootsuite to create and schedule posts. Data entry and transcription. Data entry and transcription jobs are simple and require no experience. Just type out information or transcribe audio files. You can make $10 to $20 per hour, depending on the company. Check out websites like Rev or TranscribeMe to find jobs. So, you know the top work-from-home jobs for 2025. But how do you actually get started? Let me break it down for you. Pick the job that excites you the most. Sign up for the platform like Swagbucks, VIPKid, or Fiverr, and start exploring job listings. Create a simple profile or portfolio to get noticed. Apply and start getting clients. Keep your expectations realistic at first, but keep growing. 2025 is just around the corner, and remote work is here to stay. Whether you're looking for a full-time job or a flexible side hustle, the opportunities to work from home are endless. The best time to start is now, so why wait? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more ways to make money online. Drop a comment below and let me know which remote job you'll try first. Also, if you know someone looking for a work-from-home job, share this video with them. See you in the next video.